The I'm From Rice Toner is a popular Korean skincare product that contains rice extract, an ingredient that offers numerous benefits to the skin. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of this toner, how to use it properly, and what to do and not to do when using this product. So what is rice extract and how does it benefit the skin? Rice extract is a natural ingredient that is rich in nutrients and offers numerous benefits to the skin. The I'm From Rice Toner contains 77.8% Korean rice extract, which is a radiance-boosting, skin-nourishing, and texture-improving ingredient. Rice extract has the ability to retain moisture and keep the skin hydrated, making it an excellent ingredient for dry and dehydrated skin types. The antioxidants and nutrients in rice extract help brighten the complexion, reducing the appearance of dullness and dark spots. Rice extract can help calm irritated skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Regular use of rice extract can smooth out rough skin texture, giving it a softer and more refined appearance. Who is the I'm From Rice Toner recommended for? The I'm From Rice Toner works to nourish skin and restore radiance, brightening the appearance of skin tone and texture. It is most recommended for those looking for hydration and a more even-looking complexion. Here's how to use the I'm From Rice Toner in your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. To activate the potent blend of rice extracts and other nourishing ingredients, give the bottle a good shake. This ensures an even distribution of the toner's enriching formula for maximum efficacy. After shaking, dispense a proper amount of the rice toner onto your palm or a cotton pad. Gently spread it evenly across your face, allowing the luxurious formula to embrace every inch of your skin. Gently pat your skin with your fingertips, aiding in the toner's absorption. This patting motion not only enhances absorption, but also promotes blood circulation, leaving your skin with a revitalized and refreshed feeling. Follow with your water-based serums, followed by oil-based serums, and your moisturizer. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using I'm From Rice Toner. Do a patch test before using it on your face to make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Don't use too much product at once. A little goes a long way with this essence, so start with a small amount and add more if needed. The I'm From Rice Toner is an excellent skincare product that offers numerous benefits to the skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more hydrated, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about our recommended Korean skincare products that hydrate and brighten the skin, check out our playlist here.